My name is Buz Lamoreaux. I'm the Director of Facilities Engineering here at E-Controls. E-Controls has been in San Antonio for over 21 years, starting from a small facility to a current facility of 150,000 square feet. Here at E-Controls, we engineer and manufacture fuel systems for natural gas engines across the world. During COVID, Jani-King was able to help keep our lines open 24/7 by providing resources for cleaning and sterilization. Our constant and daily communication with Juan Realpe, the Jani-King franchise owner, was able to help us backfill those positions and keep the building clean and safe.
My name is Juan Realpe. I'm a franchise owner for Jani-King. Over the last 13 years, we've been working with Buz and E-Controls, and when COVID hit, we were able to create a plan to keep the company running within 24 hours. The constant communication with E-Controls and Buz was the key for the success on keeping their company running 24/7.